The golden ratio and the golden rectangle. Divine number or design myth. How much do you know about the golden ratio?
Since the time of ancient Greece, artists, designers, thinkers, scientists, and engineers have been fascinated by the golden ratio. Also denoted as phi, the golden ratio has over the centuries even been considered as the perfect illustration of beauty. Golden ratio, also known as golden mean, golden section, or divine proportion, is one of the most famous irrational numbers, like another famous irrational number, pi. The golden ratio goes on forever. This mathematical concept can be seen in nature and also in various iconic pieces of art. It has allegedly inspired artists like Michelangelo and Leonardo da Vinci. The Mayans, ancient Greeks, and Egyptians are all said to have incorporated this divine number into works of art and architecture.
What is golden ratio? The golden ratio was first described in the book The Euclid's Elements around 2300 years ago. It was found by dividing a line into two parts so that the long part divided by the short part is equal to the whole length divided by the long part.
The number that results is also related to the Fibonacci sequence. As a quick refresher, each number in the Fibonacci sequence after the first ones is derived by adding the two numbers before it. As an example, 1 plus 1 equals to 2, 2 plus 1 equals to 3. Similarly, 3 plus 2 equals to 5 and 5 plus 3 equals to 8. The ratio of each number to the previous number in the Fibonacci sequence is equal to pi, which is usually approximated as 1.618. For example, 5 plus 3 equals to 8 and 8 divided by 5 is equals to 1.6. When we are used to find more numbers of the Fibonacci sequence and keep on finding the ratio of the present number to the previous one, then the ratio gets closer to pi. The things get really fun though when we demonstrate this geometrically. That is because if you were to draw the squares with the dimension of the numbers in the sequence, you would create the famous golden rectangle.
The proportions and harmony of the golden ratio was first recognized by the mathematicians like Aristotle, Pythagoras, Muhammad ibn Musa, Khazwami, and Voites. The formula for golden ratio is 1 plus root 5 upon 2.
Do you know why do we get attracted by the things made up of the golden ratio or golden rectangle? Like Mona Lisa and the Eiffel Tower. Well, we humans are used to like the things that are related to us, our body, our thinking, and our brain, etc. For example, our body is symmetrical, so we would like a symmetrical shape instead of any irregular shape. The same thing happens here also. Our body's ratio is approximately 1.6 and that's why we like things made up of golden ratio or golden rectangle. Do we use golden ratio today? Well, yes. Artists and designers may sometimes use golden ratio in creating everything from products to brand logos. There has been a lot of discussion as to whether or not Apple's logo uses golden ratio. The Fibonacci sequence has been used in the world of engineering, in computer data structures and sorting algorithms. Now, let us know about the examples of golden ratio.
Well, there are a lot of examples of the golden ratio and golden rectangle, like the Parthenon of ancient Greece, Mona Lisa's painting, Eiffel Tower, snail shells, hurricanes, seed heads, flower petals, pine cones, The Last Supper by Leonardo da Vinci, etc.
Thank you. A presentation by Team B consisting of Devansh Darshan, Aryan Gautam and Akshansh Gupta.